Hi everyone, welcome to the episode 2 of Habbu's Terrace Garden. We want to take you through some updates which have happened in our garden after the release of episode 1, which you can see here in the link description. I do hope you enjoy the second episode and do like, share and subscribe. In our part 1 of the Habbu's Terrace Garden, we have shown how we grown the 3 batches of spinach and methi. This time we have also grown spinach seeds. So it was a very interesting aspect. This is the pan plant which has been grown with the help of moss stick above. This time we have also attempted growing garlic directly from garlic. It's still in very nascent stage. We have attempted for the first time to grow green chilies, and the response from the plant as well as everyone we talked with has been phenomenal. We have recorded how they have grown over the past 2.5 months now. It has already started bearing fruits. This is the flower of the green chili, and we have taken 3 batches, around 15 to 16 different chilies, each of big commercial sizes. This is the recording as of June 2022, 2 days back. This is the packaged green chili we have sent to our family and friends. This is the ranzai plant. It really smells very beautiful, especially during the night times. It has grown very beautifully over The monsoon 2022 hasn't even started yet in Pune here, but we already got a surprise, a pre-monsoon bloom of Brahma Kamal. To accommodate the seasonal changes in the plants on the arrival of monsoon, we are planning a change in the configuration. We'll let you know as soon as it is finalized. Thank you everyone for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.